Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. The sauce has actually thickened out by itself.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have half of duck here. This is probably about 1.1 kg of duck, yeah, and I cut into chunks, marinated with a bit of salt and also Sautéing wine, yeah. Then I have a lot of young ginger here. I'm going to make 紫姜鸭 young ginger duck stew. So first thing first, we are going to saute the ginger. I'm going to use two kinds of oil to saute the ginger. Number one, a bit of vegetable oil. Number two, sesame oil. Why is it I don't use only sesame oil? Because sesame oil, even though it is very fragrant, but if you saute sesame oil from by its own, it can become bitter. So try not to do that. This is always safer to mix it with some vegetable oil. And we shall heat it up, and we will come back shortly. Right, I can now smell the nice aroma coming out from the releasing from the sesame oil. Next thing, we put in the ginger, young ginger. Young ginger is actually more aromatic, yeah. Some may say, Appa, what happens if I don't have young ginger? Just use medium ginger or old ginger lah. Can also lah. Only thing is you will get better flavor if you use young ginger, right? So we are going to saute the young ginger for a minute or two before we continue. We'll come back shortly. This dish is all about ginger flavor, sesame flavor, and also the Sautéing wine flavor. Right, the moment you start seeing the ginger started to brown, this is the time where you can add in the marinated duck. I marinated with some Sautéing wine and salt. Give it a few nice stir under medium-high fire. Wow, this duck is very fatty, very nice. Okay, I spread out the duck a little bit, just to create a bit of char on the duck surface itself. This is optional, but I like doing this when I'm stir frying some of my duck or chicken dishes, just to create some char on the surface on the meat itself. Leave it like that, having a direct contact with the wok for like 30 seconds, then I will give it some stir. Alright, next thing, give it a few stir again. I've started to see some char here. Again, I'm going to repeat the same process. Leave it there for a while. And we'll come back shortly. Alright. Oh, I see some char already. Nice. Alright, next thing, I'm going to give it some light soya sauce. And some dark soya sauce. Always don't put too much dark soya sauce because dark soya sauce can make your dish bitter. Yeah. And I'll give it a few stir. And then we have already gotten the color. Nice. One small bowl of Sautéing wine. Some hot water. Now we can give it some salt. And some sugar. Make sure all the meat is nicely submerged under the broth. Just give it a few stir at the bottom. Very simple seasoning also here, yeah? Nothing complicated. Once it is boiling like this, I'm going to close it with a lid and tune down to medium-low. Let it simmer under medium-low heat for approximately 25 minutes. So this is after approximately 20 minutes, yeah? 20 minutes after simmering under medium-low heat. Wow, look at the sauce. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. The sauce has actually thickened out by itself. And with one layer of dark fat. Very fragrant. I don't even need to starch it. And this is, our dish is done. And I can feel the meat is spongy. Very nice. Especially done. I'm going to serve right now. Alright, so here's my very simple, only needed 2 ingredients, ginger, young ginger and also duck. My young ginger duck stew. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Enjoy your dinner with your family.